This video will see that how to use emmets in React JSX. For that, let's say if we write dot and then something, then we are not getting the option of class name. And if you write h1, we are not getting this option like we get in HTMLs. Okay, so for that I will show you how you get. So this is the HTML. If you write h1, you will get options like this. If you write dot something, then we'll get like this. So for that, you have to go to settings. If you want to get the same, go to settings, or you can place command or then comma and then go to open settings.json from here, and you have to write this line. If this is not written, just type it, and I'm just uncommenting it. Emmet.includeLanguages JavaScript, then JavaScriptreact in JSON, and after this you can try. It's working, and it's also writing class name instead of class, so it's really working. Okay, and it's also working in the index.html. So thanks for watching the video. See you later.